malware. Welcome to my first review video. Today, we will review a super Magisk module that could save your battery 99%. Okay, let's just jump to modules. FYI, these modules work almost on all devices and whatever root method you have. And here it is, Battery Honey, which is now on version 6.5. I compiled it with Rust native binary, which run natively on your device, and super light. As you can see, we have some modules here, but let's just keep it for later. Here, as you can see, Battery Honey has some menu. Firstly, we have mode, which has passive mode as default, then extra, change background, program monitor, battery stat, and lastly, we have logging. But let's check for the active mode first. Let me explain to you. In active mode, Battery Honey will set your CPU max frequencies to the mid frequencies, which is good to reduce CPU power consumption without any worry to lagging in daily use. Let's check at frequencies. As you see here, the max CPU frequencies is locked on mid, but it still dynamically changes, depend on the needs. In other hand, if we enable the passive mode, in passive mode, it will lock your CPU frequencies to the lowest, but only while the screen is off, because when screen is on it will bring the default CPU frequencies back. Let's do a quick check on Termex. This code shows a real-time CPU frequencies per second. Let me turn off and on my screen. In a few seconds delay. Okay, my screen is back on. Unfortunately, the screen record is stopping. But it's okay, since we still get the result. As you can see, this is the frequencies when screen is on. It dynamically changes from min frequencies to the max. But check this out. This is the state when screen is off. Battery Honey passive mode is locked. The CPU frequencies on screen off. So, while you didn't use your device, there will be mostly 1% decrease in 5 to 6 hours. So yeah, it saves 99% your battery. And that is the main power of Battery Honey. Okay, next we move to the power consumption. But you need to enable it first. At the graphics, this show average power consumption per hour. Next, let's test with charging is on. It slowly increased because it used average values. If we restart it, it will start counting new average. Let's compare it with StepCheck application. And then we will move to the last menu. The last is logging. You can see what Battery Honey did to your device here. You can see it also smartly clear your cache when your RAM is low. Muag. You can get Battery Honey on link at descriptions. And don't forget to subscribe and join my Telegram channel, because the latest or beta test uploaded first at Telegram. You can also find other useful modules there. Again, 100 subs and I will get you tutorial how to port any custom ROM. Okay, that's all for this time. See you in the next video. Bye bye.